We're out here, check day 10, so we got one more day. We're pulling tomorrow, and I've already checked a couple traps. We got this one hadn't been set in a few days. You can see the trap just pulled straight out of the bed. I think it's something that might have tried to roll on me there. Shoot. I actually took the belly part of a snapping turtle, staked it down, and then put some bait underneath it. Apparently it worked, but might should have had my trap a little farther back. Oh, did you see it? That's the fourth coyote we've seen. There was 3 of them right here.
16. They're still standing right
crossing the road.
We've been looking at TikTok
and
ideas of
we saw one back in town. We ain't made it out to the traps yet. Hopefully that's bodes well for us.
Oh, he just dipped off in that brush.
Oh, I see one of them right behind that mesquite tree right there. Can you see? There he is. Sitting there watching. There he goes. Alright, maybe we got a couple of them out here waiting for us.
Oh yeah, both of them are right over there.
Waiting on their buddy.
Oh, he just laid down, didn't he?
Alright. There's what we were hoping, our second gray fox at this location. This was a gray fox just the other day, so first catch of the day so far. Well, crap. Missed him. Man. That's the coyote. And I put some liver, and they covered it up. And man, he worked all over my trap. Golly. Did not get caught. Dang it. Where are we at here? Where my trap's at? There it is. He wanted that. Man, I don't know how the crap I missed him, but I sure did. Man, this sucker was so hidden. I just saw my trap there and thought we didn't have anything. I thought that bush looked a little more tore up. That's what I'm talking about. We thought this would be a good cat spot. This old river bottom, thick. We're gonna get him dispatched. One day left, we're going ahead and pulling some of the dog proofs to make our line pulling tomorrow go a little quicker and easier. It's turning off cold and chance of rain today and tomorrow, so it's gonna make things sloppy if it does. Coyote tracks in the road after I drove through yesterday and the wind blew yesterday. I don't have a coyote up here. Dang it. I mean, you can see them. They were running the road. Nada. Old Faithful here in Skunk Canyon. This has by far been our most productive set. Which actually the trap behind it caught the first skunk, but then that trap has caught 4 skunks so far. 5 skunks. And those traps ain't 10 feet apart, so. We got a lion trap and beaver trap left. So if any of y'all are thinking about starting trapping, this is what trapping really is here. It's wet feet, muddy boots, rainy, coldest day of the year. They said it ain't rained this much in the desert in 6 months is when I get here. We were stuck earlier. Like to slid the truck off into one of the big drainage canals. Then we like to flipped it trying to get it pulled out. Had to get the farmer to come and drag us for like 3/4 of a mile around the field. So we're pulling some traps. We still got our mountain trap line. It didn't start raining until we got headed out of the mountain, so we thought it'd be all right, but kind of second guessing that now. But tomorrow ought to be a little bit more exciting. I don't know if it could get more exciting than today, but hopefully not, but we'll see. We got one more set of beaver traps to pull, and then we got to do a little skinning, and then we're gonna try to get warm. I told y'all this is trapping. We ran out of time. It's getting stuck, slowed us way down. So now we're out here in our headlights, raining, cold as mess, not catching anything. That's trapping though. You gotta love it. Ain't that right? There we go.
I love it.